ABJK, it's your boy Blaze back here with another video, man. Vlog day 2. We coming at you with a good video today. So it's currently rainy outside right now, but it don't matter, man. Today's boat day, yacht day. We coming at you hard on me, son. So we're gonna be linking up with a few of the UM football players. We're gonna be doing our thing. We're gonna be going on a boat, taking some pictures with our bathing suits on, all that good stuff. If you follow me on Instagram, if you don't follow me on Instagram, click the link tree down below. Go follow all that good stuff. Subscribe to the YouTube channel right now. Share this video right now. We're going up. We're being consistent with videos. We're gonna try to get on the pace where we're posting once every week. Comment some stuff you want to see us do, some competitions you want to see us do, like Top Golf, all that good stuff, bro. I'm gonna be sliding everywhere. We're gonna go get a haircut right now. So I'm driving like 30 minutes away because I have no barbers in Miami, bro. It's ridiculous. But yeah, we about to go up there and get a haircut real quick. So I'm recording the video. Damn. Hey, my dog Eddie got me right though. I ain't gonna lie to you, bro. Hey, I stay far, man. You know that. Yeah. I seen the video on Twitter. You already know, man. Ooh, my teeth look good. Oh, why my teeth look so good right now? I ain't even brushed my teeth today. I gotta go wash my face and stuff like that. But anyways, hey, shout out to Eddie, bro. Eddie waited at the barbershop for me. Y'all seen his arm. His arm was in a little cast. He just got surgery, and my boy still got me right. He got me right, no cap, and he waited on me. I was late too. I was supposed to show up at 11:30, and then I got home from workouts. Cause I work out. I've been up since like 6 a.m. something like that, and I was sleepy. So I texted him like 8 something this morning. He was like, "Yeah, come at 11:30, cause I'm cutting somebody at 11." Fell asleep. Woke up at 12. It's like 2 o'clock right now, and I'm just leaving here. So we about to head to the crib. We're about to go shave. We gotta get right for this little boat. And it's shitty outside today, bro. Look, let me show y'all. I don't even know if how this gonna work, but it's supposed to clear up at 3. You can see outside. It's mad droopy outside, bro. It's mad crappy outside, but we're gonna see. We're gonna get back on the road.
Llame al 305-487-5381.
Y'all still there? Alright, we just got home, man. I'm about to head over to the boat right now. You hear me looking to my face? I'm about to go get litty for y'all, you know what I'm saying? I'm about to be on my West Coast vibes with my boy Bubba Bolden, Derek King, a couple other UM football players. But yeah, hey, if y'all still there and you listen to me right now, do me a favor, like the video and share it with somebody, you know what I'm saying? Let me know if I'm a crappy vlogger too. All right, bet. All right, man. Just let y'all know, man. You already know, man. Make sure y'all like the video. Let's get it. We just pulled up to the spot. Oh. Yeah. Hey, what's your name, son? Where you from, cuz?
Hey, nigga, I'm from 6-0.
Hey, 6-0, yeah. Bubble water. Oh, we got over here. We got the doozies over here. Come over to this car right here that just pulled up. Hey, yeah. Yeah, who that is right there? Ooh, yeah, Shotty, what's your name? We got Ryan Rigoni. We got Bubba Bolden right there, nigga. Yeah.
Bubba Bolden?
Nah, that ain't Bubba. That's Derek King. Yeah.
Here to give you a trunk?
Huh? Nah, he probably got him over there. I look kind of big though. Check me out. You see me in the? I can see me. I look kind of big though. You know what I'm saying? Look kind of good. Sure. Yes, sir. This is the man with the plan right here. How y'all doing? We got Clay James. Let's go. Specialist. Lou Henley. Give me the yaha. Lou Henley. Connor. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Connor, we liking how the pants feeling. We liking how they looking right right now.
We're
Talk
here with
to
our
us.
boy Connor Burn.
Yes, sir.
KOS Yacht's about to have a day. Let's go.
Let's get it, baby. How you feeling about these shorts? How we feeling? We're talking about the company.
So basically, it's the best basic company in America. You know, we got the cool designs.
I mean, look at him.
America. You know,
Where
we
can
got Al
they?
Blaze Jr. wearing these
Where
Bubba
can they?
Bolden.
Where can they find these at?
Luke Jones.
Where can they find these at?
Online, coolbasings.com.
Oh my gosh!
sir.
Hey, this is not a paid promotion. I love it. Yeah.
But this guy looks like a dime.
Yeah.
It's too wide.
Yeah.
And his dick ain't fat.
Yeah.
He tries to clap.
Yeah.
And the girl's getting says, get back.
Yeah.
He's sad. He's about to cover your neck.
Oh, that's fun. If you haven't already, hit the subscribe button. I know I suck at vlogging right now, but we're gonna turn up sooner or later. Hold on, we gotta let him see himself. You heard me? Yes, sir.
Let's go.
You pass it back to me, I'ma keep it straight G. If she got a fast ass, she can get A by me. Okay, I'm a freak AB. You already know that's why they call me AB. We got DK. One time for that boy all day. I throw the ball and he throw it your way. Don't be 6 if he throw it 8. On a scale of 1 to 10, what is the likely chance that you raw dog something last night?
Mark, why are you doing?
Hold on.
Oh my gosh, you're disgusting.
What up, Captain Josh here. Welcome to my crib.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, take you for a little tour. Yeah, here we got the little lounge area. So
Yes,
we got
sir.
A couch back here, nice little table. You go back here. We got a bedroom.
Oh, what we? Oh. I don't even want to know what you be doing in
Yeah,
here.
the bedroom. This is where all the magic happens.
I don't even know what you're doing.
Magic happens.
I don't even want to know what you be
Got
doing
the
in here.
Singular bathroom, you know, for the
Yes,
big
sir.
old doogies.
It's a vibe or what, bro?
It's a fucking vibe.
It's a vibe and a half,
Oh yeah,
bro.
we outside.
Yes, sir. Appreciate you having us.
About to keep shooting.
They messed the tattoo up, bro.
Oh, no. I'm sorry about that. Isn't supposed to be.
What you mean? You like Steph Curry right now? You 99 for 100. You still good.
I'll tell you about my splash.
Splash. Experience.
What do you say, yo? Yo, Middle, you're probably getting a call, Connor.
I put that crack in my crack.
Good thing, Phil.
Oh. If y'all don't know, we streaming on Twitch. Tune into the vlogs. Yes, sir. We're in a moving hot tub in the desert. No cap. Let's get it. Nice sky cam. Yo, Frosty, let's get, baby. You guys are new to the stream right now. Just got out the boat. Bow. All right, we about to head home. Everybody trying to head to the wharf. No cab. So we might head to the wharf. I might not be able to take my camera there. So we might have to end it here.
Yes, sir.
Because if you want to see another video, like this one, subscribe,
Yes, sir.
bow. See you in the next one.